Hey there, it's Chef Katie. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I recently got back from a trip to Montreal, which is in Canada, near Quebec, in the Quebec region. So it means there's lots of French and European influence and a lot of the French language. Now up there, one of the big things they're known for is maple syrup, which we know comes from a plant. It's very sweet, very rich, almost has that like brown sugar kind of quality about it. And a dessert that the Montrealans are used to using their maple syrup in is called poor man's pudding. Now this came out of the Depression, and it's basically like cake with a little bit of maple syrup to create this ooey gooey rich deliciousness. It almost reminds me of pineapple upside down cake, if you think of that sort of rich, comforting, oh, so good, right? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick and easy, gluten-free, plant-based poor man's pudding in your microwave. Yeah, for real. Check it out. I'll show you how easy this is. Oh yeah, babe, this is real. Poor man's pudding, 90 seconds in the microwave. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. Woo, still steaming. Lovely little touch of maple syrup. You got to. Little homage to Montreal. Maple syrup rules. It's a plant, and plants rule. This is Chef Katie. I will see you next time.